Hi, hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is static friction and limiting friction. This is the part 2 video. Part 1 video is basic concept of friction, students. So in the static friction properties and limiting friction and properties we will discuss. When a body at rest on the surface of the earth, when a force is applied to move a body parallel to the contact surface, F is the force which is applied parallel to the contact surface and it does not move, it is in rest position. The friction develop in opposite direction. The friction is called static friction. Static friction is a self-adjusting friction and static friction increasing with increasing the applied force. For example, first person is pulling, the block is at rest, two persons are pulling, then the block is ready to move, and three persons are pulling, the body get motion. That's why friction is a self-adjusting force and static friction opposes the impending motion, students. And this is the clear diagram about the sliding body and rolling body of the static friction. In both conditions, body in rest, this is cube and this is a cylinder, student. Here normal reaction is perpendicular to the surface, mg weight of the body is acting downward direction, and this is the applied force, and frictional force is opposite direction to the applied force, that is static friction, student. Okay, but static friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction. So static friction which is equal to mu s into n, where mu s is the coefficient of static friction, student. But according to the diagram, normal reaction is equal to mg, both are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Now replacing the value here, this is I am considering equation 1. So Fs is equal to mu s into n value is replacing mg, student. And from equation 1 we can write coefficient of static friction mu s is equal to Fs divided by n, student. Coefficient of friction has no units and dimension because of it is the ratio of same physical quantity. Now I can write this is equation number 2. Okay, student. And next, the maximum static friction is called limiting friction, student. Okay, in that position the body is ready to move, that is taken body tends to move, student. Another definition also is there, when a body tends to move on the surface, the maximum value of static friction present between the two surfaces in contact is called limiting friction, student. Here also the limiting friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction, and before that I can write there limiting friction is equal to the maximum value of static friction, student. Static friction. Okay, and limiting friction directly proportional to normal reaction. Limiting friction is equal to mu L into n, student, where mu L is the coefficient of limiting friction. I can write this is equation number 1. But n is equal to mg, both are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, so that here I can write Fl is equal to mu L into n value replaced by mg, student. And coefficient of friction writing there mu L is equal to Fl divided by n. Now I can write this is equation number 2, student. This is the clear information about the static friction and limiting friction, student. Please do like and subscribe and comment my channel. Thank you, student.